Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2015 X5 M Sport we have in stock here. This is just going to be noting some of the optional features this car comes with, aftermarket and from factory. To begin with the aftermarket features, you've got a Cobra tracking system with this car. You've got a hydro-dipped engine bay cover in Long Beach Blue to match the exterior paint finish, with the carbon fibre look as well to match some of the carbon fibre trim this car has. And lastly, you've got the full AKRAPOVIC exhaust system. The only exposed parts of this exhaust system are the tailpipe trim on the back with the carbon fibre finish. You can also see you've got the AKRAPOVIC exhaust control in the centre console of the car on the inside. This whole system is worth roughly £5,900, so it's a very desirable optional feature the car has. To continue with the optional features from the factory, you've got the 21-inch style 612M alloy wheels. You've got the sun protection glass. You can see some of the gloss black trim on the exterior of the car being shown on the kidney grills and on the window surrounds, to note a couple. Moving to the inside of the car now, you can see you've got a full leather interior. You've got the M Sport multi-function leather seats in the front. You can see all the electric functions on the side being shown here with the memory settings as well. You've got front heated seats as well as rear heated seats. You've got the Harmon and Kardon loudspeaker system. You've got plenty of carbon fibre trim, some bits being shown here on the door cards, on the dash. You've also got the leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel here, also with the carbon fibre trim inserts. You can see the centre console here, again with carbon fibre trim inserts. You can see the AKRAPOVIC exhaust control being shown again. And on the centre screen here, you can see some of the driver assists you've got, as well as the 360 overview camera as an optional feature. And lastly, you can see the panoramic glass sunroof this car comes with as well as an optional feature. If you'd like to see the full list of options this car comes with, or would like to book an appointment to view the car, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end, or take a look at our website and inquire through there.